Good morning, beautiful people of the world. Good morning. It is Wednesday, March 26, 2025. I am not happy this morning. I feel like I'm about to cry. My car is back to doing the same thing that it was doing before I got this new engine put in. I drove it to work yesterday. It was fine. I drove it home yesterday afternoon or yesterday evening when I got off work. And I got on the expressway like I always do. And it started to do that same thing that it was doing, that shaking, and the check engine light came on, the all-wheel drive light, and the track off light. And it ain't even been a fucking year, and this car is back to doing this. When I tell you I am fit to be tied, I am fit to be tied. I just can't believe this. I just cannot believe this. I just cannot. So, I'm on my way to Toyota. They open at 7. It's 6:11. And I'm on my way to take it back. They got to fix it. They just got to fix it. I just can't even imagine what is going on with this car. I'm not going to take the expressway. I'm going to take the street because it's acting, it's shaking, it's, doing all of that. If it stops on me on the street, which let's pray that it don't. I'm praying that I can just get it out there. Like I said, I just cannot believe that it's doing this. And when I stop, it's shaking. It's shaking. And I talked to two male friends of mine last night, an ex-boyfriend that we really good friends, and my other best friend who does all the stuff for me in the house. And they both were like, it's not the transmission, because if it was the transmission, you wouldn't be able to put the car into gear, So I don't know what this is. I just don't know. But I know I haven't. The engine has not been in the car, and it's just steady shaking as I'm sitting here. I made an appointment for Saturday at 9:30, but I was like, I'm not gonna be able to drive this car from yesterday to Sunday. I'm like, I gotta take it today. And like I said, I just cannot believe that it is doing this again. It has not been a year. Same thing, act like you don't want to go, can't get it up to no speed. I had a tune-up. How many tune-ups did I have last year? What, 2 or 3? You all remember the story. Y'all went through this hell with me because I talked about it on YouTube. And I just cannot believe that I'm going through this again. I cannot believe it. They got to do something. Lord, have mercy. And the check engine light is just blinking. And the all-wheel drive light is on. And the track off light is on. I'm not paying a MFing dime. I swear I'm not. All the money I have spent, I'm not spending a dime. They gonna have to, something is not right. And when I got the engine had 70,000 miles on it. Oh, Lord have mercy. I am asking you all for your prayers, because I cannot go through this again. And you all know car notes are expensive. And I'm scraping the bottom of the barrel to pay my bills, right? And I'm paying them. And I can't afford another nothing. I can't afford another big bill like a car note. And then my car insurance will go up. I know I'm gonna have to buy a new car eventually, of course I am, but I'm not trying to do that right now with my house note being the way that it is. I'm just not trying to do that right now. So yesterday I went to lunch. I went to get me a tuna sandwich at Potbelly's, and I was zipping my purse up after I paid for my sandwich, and my finger got caught in the zipper of my purse, and I snatched my nail and I broke it all the way down. And when I tell you this mug bled forever ever. So I got Neosporin on it, and I can't even go and get it repaired because it's sore. But I gotta go tomorrow or Friday when I go back to work and have them. I got to go. Go ahead with that. This car is just rumbling. I don't know if y'all can see the vibration in the video, because I can see it. I was talking to a girlfriend yesterday. She's in Florida visiting her sister for spring break with her 2 granddaughters, and she was telling me that her sister, they're staying with her sister, and she drives this car, her sister's car, or one of the cars her sister has. So they were stuck on the side of the road. Her radiator overheated. Her car was overheating, and she needed was overheating, and so the guy came and put some coolant in the radiator. And I've had that to happen. I've had that to happen to me. So I told her, I said, oh, I know all about that. I said, I know so much about a car now. I know about the radiator, the radiator overheating. You asked me, I know. I learned a lot when this car, because this seems like this is a bad ignition coil. This is what this seems like. This car is 12 years old, but for me to have a new engine in here, and for me to have all brand ignition coils, spark plugs, all of that, this just should not be happening. We ain't even coming up to a year. I think I got this work done in August. And this is just March. I just was in tears yesterday, literally in tears. I was like, Lord, I can't go through this again. And with me, it's always about money. All the time. It's about money. All the time. They keep calling me about my bed and my washer and dryer because I ain't even paid it, y'all. Because I know I'm still paying on this thing for the cat. I'll be done paying that off in August. And I'll be so glad when I'm done paying that off. I mean, this car is just rumbling. It's just shaking. I decided to take the street instead of taking the expressway, because if it stops on me, I won't be on expressway. I've had to call a tow truck, which let's pray that don't happen. But if I did have to, call a tow truck or whatever, at least I'm out on the street. She was saying, now see, I'm rolling, right? It's rolling, but the check engine light is blinking. I was talking to my girlfriend. She was like, cars suck. She was like, they just suck. She said, it's always something wrong with them. It's always something you got to get done. And I said, yeah, that's because they don't make cars the way they used to make cars. The parts in your car are not like they used to be. But a Toyota, and then check this out. When I called yesterday to make an appointment for Saturday, the young lady says, there's a recall on your battery. And I just got a new battery in this car. And so I said, I said, I never received a letter saying that there was a recall on a battery. She said, yeah, it's a recall. She said, maybe that's what's making the car. I don't think it's the battery. But so now they got to give me a new battery today. When I tell you I'm beyond frustrated, I'm beyond frustrated. Beyond. But anyway, my friend's job. He works right here. So I was telling my friend, my girlfriend, I said, yeah, they don't make cars like they used to, And I said, and this is a Toyota. And I said, Toyotas usually last you, a long See how it's shaking. I tell you, I was telling my sister yesterday, I said, I am sick and tired of being an adult and a broke one. So they're gonna either keep it, and they're gonna have to give me a loaner. I don't know. I don't know what they're gonna do. And I'm going early because I want to be the first one out here. And I don't want to wait until Saturday because it may not even start by Saturday. You know what I'm saying? I want to get this done and get it over with. I'm so disgusted. I am so disgusted. You spend all this money and you still end up having issues. Like I said, I know it's 12 years old, but come on. And everything in this car is new. New radiator fan, new pedal throttle. The pedal throttle, I had that replaced. That was like $300 and some dollars. Had a new pedal throttle done. I had new pedal throttle. What else did I have done? New radiator, new battery, new brakes on the front. I mean, y'all know, I can't even run it down. It's so much I spent. I have had 3 tune-ups. Can't tell me that I need a tune-up. I just had a tune-up. I just had the oil change. Just feel like screaming, seriously. To get it to take off, it's just my friend said don't get on the expressway. He said because you don't want it to stop on you on the expressway. Take the street. So that's what I did. That's what I'm doing. This coffee is so bad. I'm scared to stop and get some coffee. I might stop and get some coffee. Jesus. And I meant to tell you, I think I told you all that, you know, I thought I was going to have a word with Christopher's advisory teacher and gym teacher because of what they said to him. But he managed to get on the escalator. He was able to get on the escalator, and he did it. He mastered that. He was real proud of himself that that he was able to do that. And I was really proud of him too, that he was able to do it. I told him how to get on. I said, when the escalator, when the step comes from under, the other step come under, step on that, and he said he did. So he managed it, which was good. Traffic out here. And then my friend said, maybe you got some bad gas. I was like, I ain't had bad gas in my car before, and it didn't act like this. And all of this didn't come on. All these lights wasn't on. My nail hurt. I put some Neosporin on it. So abruptly. I'm trying to go in and get me some coffee.
Good morning, what can I get for you?
Good morning. Can I get a large decaf coffee with 10 sugars, 10 creams, and a bacon wake up wrap?
Okay.
That's it.
Thank you.
Okay. I was debating about whether I was going to stop in here and get some coffee. Then I decided at the last minute that I was. I know that person behind me was like, bitch, stop so abruptly. But she shouldn't have been. She was right up on me, too. So, I told y'all that my foreman got hit with that rock right in his head. So, the foreman of that particular truck. Okay, thank you. Thank you. And yesterday he told me that he still was in pain and he had to go. He had to ice his head. I was like, He's like, yeah, I'm still in pain. Yeah, I bet you are. Then, check this out. He also tells me that he had a stroke last month. And this is what I don't understand about people. If you got all types of health issues, all types of health problems, or whatever they may be, or whatever, you would think that people would treat people right. You know what I'm saying? If I was that sickly or sickly period, I would be afraid to treat people wrong. I just would be afraid. I just would be afraid to treat a person badly. I really would. I guess people don't think like that. I don't know. Because when he told me that, I was like, "You had a stroke?" He was like, "Yeah, I had a stroke last month." I'm like, okay. You had a stroke last month. You had a stroke last month, and you treating and lying on people and acting like this. I don't get it. But maybe I'll never get it. I don't know. And he's young. He's younger than me. I know he ain't 55. He might be, but I doubt it. I doubt it. I just can't do that to people. I just can't. I can't treat people any kind of way, number one. And number two, you know, I don't know. I just don't know. Oh, it sounded worse and worse. Y'all, it's just always something. If it ain't one thing, it's 50 million others. I swear it is. And then yesterday on the way home, I'm going home. I stopped at the stop sign. And this person, I'm getting ready to take off. She's supposed to stop, or he's supposed to stop, whoever it was. And I just passed my aunt's old house. I'm sorry, y'all. My aunt that passed, she used to live right down the street. But anyway, this guy almost hits me because he doesn't want to stop at the stop sign. I'm like, are you kidding me? I'm like, who does this? For some reason, I feel like I'm going the wrong way. I was trying to take a shortcut to get down here faster. I remember seeing all of this. I think I passed something up because this ain't looking familiar at all. Okay, Sherelle, you need to turn around and go back because I don't know where the hell I am. Real talk. Let me go back because I missed something. Probably missed it talking. It's a shortcut to take you to right into the dealership. But this ain't it. And I ain't got time to be lost with this car. Let me go back the way I know. 'Cause I don't remember. I ain't never came this far down. This ain't the time to get lost. this suburb that well. But I know where Sibley Avenue is. I think I went down the wrong street. That's what I think I did. It's real smart. Wait to drink this. Oh, Lord have mercy, Jesus. Wait till the last minute to put your blinker on. These raggedy ass streets, I swear. All of them raggedy. I'm so damn frustrated. I don't know what to do. I feel so lost. And I've been out here 1,001 times. Why I did that. I got turned around. I have no clue. Passing right back by the Dunkin' Donuts. Let me just go the way I know. That's what I need to do. I probably should have turned here, and this takes you right into it, and not Michigan City. But you know what? We ain't going that way at all, because I don't even want to take that chance. We're just going to roll on the way we know where it is. Now the tire pressure light is on. Child. All the lights is on. Oh, Lord have mercy. positive. But it's just, this is just too much. It's just too much. To be the first one out here. I would have been had I not got turned around. Now this coffee is right. Normally they don't get it right. They got it right. And it's not too hot that you can't drink it. Well, I will be back to let you all know. I'll be back to let y'all know what happened. I just can't believe this. Unbelievable. For real. And yesterday, I went to get some coffee. And as I'm pulling out of the parking space, I was on it because there's a Dunkin' Donuts attached to this gas station, right? So I go and I get my coffee and I'm back in the van out, the work van out. This guy, Hispanic guy, walked up to the van and I thought something was wrong, like something was going on with the van or something. And he was like tapped on the window. So I don't never roll the window all the way down. So I just cracked it. I said, yes, what's wrong? And he was like, you're very pretty. I was like, oh. And I said, thank you. He said, are you married? I said, no. He said, do you have a boyfriend? I said, no. I used to lie to guys that I didn't want to talk to and tell them I was in a relationship or I was married. I don't do that no more. I just tell the truth. I'm not interested. Thank you, though. That's what I told him. I said, thank you, thank you. He said, well, can I be your boyfriend? I said, no. I said, but thank you. You a sweetheart. He was sweet. He was young. I don't know why I'm attracting so many younger men lately. Because my body feels like, oh, I'm at my knee, my leg, my foot. So I said, oh, thank you. And he's like, you're very pretty. I said, thank you for that compliment. And I rode on and went to the construction site. I know they probably gonna be wondering, where is she at today? But my other foreman will tell them that I'm not here. I took off last Thursday and last Friday. I ain't gonna have no vacation days by the time October come when it's time for me to go on this doggone cruise. Child. This car making all this noise. Just shaking. So anyway, like I said, I'll be back to tell you all what happened. If not today, I'll come back on. I'll be on here tomorrow. We'll see. So we'll see. We'll see. I'll let you all know though. Okay? You all have a good day. All right. Bye.